What's up and welcome back to my channel. So today I am super excited to show you guys the brand new and improved AutoBrush system. So AutoBrush is an automatic toothbrush that you can use to both brush and whiten your teeth at the same time. It is very much different from a traditional toothbrush in the aspect of it is a toothbrush that you just put in your mouth, wiggle it around, and it does the brushing, the cleaning, the whitening all for you in only 60 seconds. So it's way faster and way more efficient than cleaning with a traditional toothbrush. So today I wanted to show you the brand new system that they just launched. It has a couple different new technology things to it, so it's really cool. So let's go ahead and talk about that. Okay, so one of the first differences right off the bat is the new technology as far as the light systems go. I don't know if you can tell on camera, but they have a new system that brings in red and blue light. So the 2-in-1 lights do two different things. The first is the blue light, which helps whiten your teeth as you clean. And then the red light is promoting gum health. So red light is known to reduce inflammation in the gums. So we're now offering a blue and a red light while brushing and whitening your teeth. So it's kind of like killing two birds with one stone. You're getting a whitening and then you're getting overall gum health with the infrared light. So it comes with two different heads. So this is the silicone brush head. It has little bristles that you can just use to brush and whiten your brush and clean your teeth. And then it also comes with a whitening head. So it just pops on there, and this is what you would use to whiten your teeth. So when you get your set, it's going to come in a box just like this. And you're going to also get the charging base, looks like this. You just put that on your counter. It obviously has the charging cord and the little box to charge it with. Pops on just like that, and your AutoBrush just sits right in. And when it is plugged up, the little lights at the top will light up and let you know that your AutoBrush is charging. So another cool thing is the toothpaste that you get when you order the entire kit. So this is a 2-in-1 toothpaste. It is both a toothpaste and a mouthwash in one. It's a foaming formula. So I'm gonna just put like a little bit on, and we're gonna go in my bathroom and brush in a minute, but I just wanted to sit down and kind of chat with you guys about this first. So when you get your toothbrush, it's going to look like this when you put your toothpaste on it. Y'all see that? So it's like a foaming toothpaste. Really, really cool. Looks just like this. Really neat.
Okay guys, so now I'm gonna walk you through how to brush using the AutoBrush. Right here, I'm going to be showing you the light difference and how to apply your toothpaste. So this is the AutoBrush 2-in-1 mouthwash toothpaste combination, and you're just going to take a couple pumps and flip that on both sides of your toothbrush just to make sure that you are getting a full 360 clean. Doesn't take too much, so you just want to make sure that the brush is covered just like this on front and back. Then you will just simply turn the brush on and begin brushing. To be able to utilize the entire system with the AutoBrush, you want to place the brush in your mouth and be sure that you are wiggling the brush back and forth and pushing the brush all around just so you really use those bristles and really get a deep clean. So I'm just going to wiggle the brush around, and once the light goes off, the brush is done cleaning, and I rinse it, and that is it. That's all it.
Okay, so let's talk about a couple different ways why the AutoBrush is better than a traditional toothbrush. First of all, with the AutoBrush, you are getting a full 360 clean because of these bristles. Silicone bristles fit gently into your mouth, and they are cleaning all sides, front and back of the teeth, while you are pushing the toothbrush in out of your mouth, kind of wiggling it around just a little bit. And you're also whitening your teeth at the same time. So there is not another toothbrush on the market, traditional or electric, that gives you the 2-in-1 infrared light, that blue light to whiten your teeth, and that red light to help with gum sensitivity and inflammation, that will do those two things and brush your teeth at the same time. So AutoBrush is really killing it with their innovative technology on the market. Really great toothbrush. It also has different cleaning settings. So when you push the power button on, you'll notice that obviously the AutoBrush is going to turn on, and when you hold it down, the AutoBrush is now going to vibrate. I don't know if you can see that on camera, but the brush is now vibrating. The bristles are moving. And it has multiple different cleaning settings. So you can do a gentle clean, a deep clean, and a more massaging clean. So it's really just up to you on how you want to clean your teeth. So yeah, that's how easy it is to brush with the AutoBrush. We absolutely love it. We have felt like it has done wonders at keeping our teeth clean, keeping our kids' teeth clean. They love this. It's not a struggle to make them brush anymore. So overall, we love AutoBrush, and I think it's a great investment, and I think it would be a great tool for every mom that has kids that you are struggling to get them to brush their teeth. So I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I can't wait for you guys to get your AutoBrush system so you can start enjoying it too. Thanks for watching. Bye.